Here are 8 peculiar behaviors that dogs have. Dogs are not only fascinating, but amazing too. You will be entertained by some of the reasons behind what scientists have discovered. The bond you share with your dog is a cherished blessing. Let's begin. Here's number 1 of 8 strange behavior. Zoomies are a sudden burst of energy. Your dog suddenly takes off like a furry rocket, zipping around in wild circles with a gleeful sparkle in their eye. They occur when your dog is super joyful. The excitement can be triggered by seeing their favorite person. You might see dogs in parks exhibiting this behavior. They are extra excitable to see their dog friends. Some of them zoom after doing their business as it gives them a sense of relief and releases their energy. It is also a way to release stress and anxiety, especially after a visit with the veterinarian. If your dog regularly zooms, this can mean that they are in great physical and mental health, but it can also indicate that they need more exercise. So the next time your dog goes zooming across the yard or the living room, embrace the moment. The speedy laps aren't just entertaining, they are a testament to your dog's joy, energy, and overall well-being. Whether it's relief, excitement, or just a need to let loose, it's a way to express how happy they are. Coming up next, something you've definitely noticed but might not understand. Number 2, why do dogs circle before lying down? Have you watched your dog spin in circles before settling down for a nap and thought, it's just like a canine twister routine? Believe it or not, this quirky habit is more than just an adorable pre-snooze. Let's dive into the reasons behind this instinctive dance and uncover what it reveals about your pup's ancient heritage. The circling helps them to create a safe, comfortable spot. They trample down grass, leaves, and snow for this reason. Wolves do this too. Also clears sharp objects out of their way for comfort and a way to seek out a cooler space on a sweltering day to rest. Interestingly, they have scent glands in their paws, so all at the same time, they are also establishing their territory and their own space. For a dog who has achy joints, it may take them a little longer as they are trying to make their spot extra cushy. This behavior is healthy for them to carry out as it keeps them mentally and emotionally happy. Dogs are territorial animals and it meets some of their instinctive needs. Next time you notice your dog taking a few spins before lying down, you will know that it is a combination of survival instincts carried down from their ancestors. If this behavior is fascinating, wait for this next one. Number 3, why do dogs sniff butts? Dogs sniff other dogs' butts to learn about their reproductive system, stress levels, mood, and even their diet. This is how they greet others. It's a strange way of communicating, but a natural biological response. It is motivated by their strong sensory abilities. It's uncomfortable when they try to sniff us too, because they can pick up the scent of our pheromones. That gives them so much information to them about our health, mood, and even stress levels. At the same time, we want to discourage them from sniffing humans by substituting this behavior for the shake a paw command, or distract them with treats or toys instead. In the dog world, it is a normal way of saying hello. Dogs are curious seekers because a dog's sense of smell is so highly attuned. They have over 300 million scent receptors to our 5 million scent receptors as humans. What a huge comparison. Their intense olfactory ability gives them a wide range of information from the secretion of the pheromones. They can even tell if another dog is ill through their strong senses and whether they can form a strong bond or not. All this may seem weird to humans, but this is the way they build connections with other dogs and a part of their instinctive nature. You'll enjoy learning about this next quirky trait. Number 4, the endearing tilt of their head. Is there anything more heart-melting than when your dog tilts their head as if they're hanging on to your every word? It's one of the most endearing and mysterious behaviors that dog owners adore. Here are some intriguing facts researched by scientists. Dogs have 18 muscles in their ears, and this helps them to maneuver them to locate the sounds like mini satellite dishes. When you say appealing words to your dog, such as, "Do you want to go for a walk?" or "Do you want a treat?" their ears immediately perk up with the enduring tilt of their head. They can even hear sounds at a frequency humans cannot hear. To sum it up, the head tilt is a way of using their hearing to full capacity. So the next time your pup tilts their head at you, remember, it's not just to melt your heart, though they're really good at that. It's a brilliant blend of curiosity, hearing precision, and a dash of canine charm. This next one will surprise you. Number 5, why do dogs lick? Have you ever wondered why dogs have such a fascination with licking your face, their paws, and even furniture? It's all about showing affection and exploring their world. There is a science and psychology to it. Let's dive into the reasons. Not only do dogs lick as an instinct passed down from their ancestors, mother dogs lick their pups to clean and soothe them. Licking is also a way of showing love and affection. When dogs lick their owners, it releases the happy hormones known as endorphins. Licking is also a way dogs seek attention from people. This behavior is further reinforced if they get a positive response from it. Licking has a calming effect on dogs. It helps to release the love hormone oxytocin. This is also the reason that dogs under stress lick more often. Some dogs lick their paws and furniture excessively if they are stressed. Licking amongst dogs in a pack strengthens the bond between them and reduces any tension. So whether it's affection, curiosity, or instinct, it's their form of communication. Next time your dog gives you a slobbery kiss, you'll know that they are letting you know that you're their whole world. Curious about what's next? Let's jump in. Number 6, why do dogs eat grass? Though it may seem strange that dogs eat grassy snacks, but everything they do has a good explanation. They eat grass to help them digest food or vomit if they feel sick. Sometimes it is because they are lacking something in their diet, as grass contains vitamins and minerals. We also need to keep in mind that even though dogs have an excellent sense of smell and taste, to avoid toxic plants. However, they cannot always detect pesticides that have been sprayed. We need to ensure dogs are eating grass that has been untreated. You are better off to purchase wheat grass at a health food store. It is rich in vitamins and minerals and chlorophyll, and it even increases their energy levels for a tired dog. So the next time your dog decides to graze on grass, don't panic. Whether it's for digestion, nutrients, or just a taste for the green stuff, this behavior is pretty normal. Curious about what's next? Let's jump in. Number 7, why do dogs kick their feet after doing their business? As it turns out, dogs have a very practical reason for this peculiar behavior. Let's dig into the science of this quirky habit and discover why. Dogs have scent glands in their paw pads, and when they kick, the pheromones are released into the ground. This is a way that they mark their territory. When they kick, it makes the scent marking stronger in addition to their feces. Not only that, as they kick the dirt and grass, it spreads their pheromones even further. It makes their presence known to other animals. This kicking action tells other dogs, hey, this spot is mine. Here is an evolutionary fact. Wolves and wild dogs kick dirt and grass to cover their urine and conceal the scent to avoid predators. Dogs feel successful when they mark their territory. It gives them a sense of accomplishment and a feeling of confidence. Overall, dogs kicking after doing their business is instinctive and rooted from their wild ancestors. It's also a way of communicating that I was here. Your dog's post-bathroom kick isn't just for flair. It's a powerful message to the animal kingdom. From marking territory with pheromones to declaring, "This area of grass is mine." Number 8. Why do dogs chase their tails? Here's another strange behavior. Puppies chase their tails out of curiosity and playfulness. It's a game to them. If your adult dog is chasing their tail, it can be a sign of boredom or a surge of energy. It can be a concern if it turns into a compulsive behavior, as it can indicate anxiety. Chasing their tails can be entertaining, a little puzzling, but harmless most of the time. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps this channel grow.